Be ready. Start. The impression is still widely held that a banking account is a luxury for the well to do. On the contrary, the majority of people who use the services of a bank are persons of moderate means. A man or woman need not hesitate to ask a bank to open a current account merely because the balance maintained is likely to be small. The full range of the bank's services is available to every customer. It may be thought that a wife's banking account is subjected to her husband's scrutiny. It is as well as to record, therefore, that all transactions between a bank and its customer are absolutely secret, and neither a husband nor a wife can obtain from the bank any information about the other's account without express permission. Any adult person can open a current account with a bank by applying to the manager of the branch with which he desires to deal. Accounts are also opened for persons under the age of 21 who are old enough to understand the use and drawing of checks. The bank will usually require an introduction from another customer or a personal reference. When the few simple formalities have been completed with, the customer may pay into his account as often as he desires during banking hours at any branch of that bank in Bombay and Pune, or for that matter at the branches of almost every other bank in the Indian territory. He can cash checks whenever he wishes to do so at the branch of the bank where he has his account. Arrangements can be made for him to cash his check at other branches too on request. Every new customer is provided with a checkbook and a paying in book. Each page of this book has a counterfoil. When the customer wishes to make a payment into his account, he writes in the paying in book the date, his name, and the amount of the checks, postal orders, notes, or cash he is handling over. The cashier who receives this money initials the counterfoils, has a complete record of his deposits. When the customer withdraws money from the bank by writing a check, he files in the details of the transaction on the checkbook counterfoil and so provides himself with a complete record of money spent. Stop.